Today we are going to see about ongoing risk management. Implementing security controls is only the beginning of the risk management journey. The security professional must perform a variety of ongoing activities to ensure that risk remains properly managed. These include monitoring and assessing controls, measuring control effectiveness, reporting and continuous improvement. Risk control assessment represent a point in time analysis of the risk facing an organization and the ability of controls to manage those risks properly. These assessments may be completely as a self-assessment by an internal security team or as external assessment by the consultant or auditor. The risk environment changes on a regular basis and organization should routinely review those risk assessment and perform periodic control assessment designed to test the correct functioning and effectiveness of their security controls. For example, most organizations use a firewall to block unwanted network traffic. A control assessment of a firewall might use network scanning tools to verify that it is not allowing an unwanted traffic through the perimeter. Organizations should also conduct routine measurement of the effectiveness of their security controls and use this information to inform managing reporting. These routine activities should include both technical control reviews and operational control reviews. For example, an organization might track the number of compromised end user accounts as a means to evaluate the effectiveness of anti-phishing controls. They might also track the number of vulnerabilities detected in the facing system as a way to evaluate the effectiveness of operating system and application patching. Organizations seeking to assess the security knowledge and skills of software developers might use a number of critical findings from initial scans of new web applications. And finally, organization might use the number of data breaches requiring notification of individuals as a measure of the overall effectiveness of their security program. All of these measures provide valuable information to management as they seek to refine their cybersecurity strategies and programs. All security programs should embrace a spirit of continuous improvement that seeks to enhance controls and improve the overall state of information security in the organization over the time. The results of control effectiveness measures, risk assessment and expert knowledge should feed this improvement process. So this is the ongoing risk management, how the ongoing risk can be assessed and given to the management and how they will take care for their mitigating the risk, ongoing risk. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel without forget. Thank you.